Where are we? Modernization face. Okay. Okay. Alright guys, welcome to another stream. Today we are doing area and parameter. If you come across in my stream, feel free to leave a comment. If you're here, participate, feel free to. And you don't know, this is a learning session with me. So I'm not a teacher or anything like that, but I just like to do math on my free time, I guess. And without further ado, let's go. So the question one is a rectangle. Alright, so we have the rectangle is here to the shape. So the rectangle is this. So since we have this, let's do this, you know. No, we don't have it in. I'm just checking something. Yeah, no. Alright. So question one is this one. A rectangle is 8 centimeter long, 8 centimeter, and 5 centimeter wide. Find its parameter. So parameter is like the circumference, so like this side, this, this, and this. Alright, we have 8, and then here is 8 centimeter, and then this one is also side 5 centimeters. So we need to add all this together. So we can either do this 2 times 5 I mean, I had the formula, but I can't remember if it was like this or not. I'm not gonna do the formula. So basically, you need to do 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 8. So 5 plus 5 is 10, plus 8 plus 8 is 16. And then because it's the perimeter, we just leave it this as it is. Now if it was an area, you will need to add the 2. Okay, so for the first question, the square is 16. Let's go ahead and check it to see if we are correct. Uh, 5 plus 5, 10. We're looking for the parameter. You're freaking wrong. There is no way, bro. Deca. Χτω 16. Ah, it's 20. Bro, it's 26. Wow, man. Yeah, no, it was correct, but I did yeah. All right, question 2. Rectangle area. A rectangle has a length of 12 centimeters. centimeter and the width of 7 centimeter. So now this is the inside. Okay, so now we times 12 times 7. 7 times 2 is 14. 7, 8. And then here is where we need to add a 2. Okay, let's go. Mateus, you scare me. I'm like, okay, another one wrong. Okay, so now you go question 30. Square pyramid. Square has sides of 9 centimeter, 5-inch perimeter. So this is a square. In the square, we have to know that each side has 9 centimeter, okay? And we are looking for the perimeter, so oops, where did I put 9 centimeters? So because we know we can do it 9 times 4 is what? 36, I assume. Yeah, let me check. Okay, I'm starting to get like this is the wrong answer, you know. Question 4. A square has sides, find its area. So imagine this scenario. Again, let's add it just for the sake of it. Each square. 11. Fine. So this one is 11 times the height. So 11, then 11 here plus, then we have 1 to 1 centimeter square. This is question 4. If 4 is 121 centimeter square. I'm going with question 5. A triangle. So we have a triangle, has a base of 10 and a height of 6. Find its area. So this one is something you guys need to memorize. When it comes to the triangle, the space times the height divided by 2. So the base is 10 times the height, which is 6, divide the 2. Now 10 times 6 is what? Is 60. Divide the 2. So this one 6 divided by 2 is 30. Then we have 30 centimeter square. Because remember, in the area we always add the 2 when if its parameter is without the 2. The reason why I've been told, but I can't remember. So, and if you had to do with volume, then it's 3 because it's 3 sides. So the 2 then is because it's a 2D shape. So question 5 is 30 centimeter in the power of 2. Okay, we're going with the next question. Now, sorry for the noise, it's a bit hot, so I'm going now with the question 6. A parallelogram. Let's check. 8. Nice. Has a base of 14 centimeter and a height of 9 centimeter. Find its area. So remember, for the area, something I didn't tell you is width times the height. So 14 times 9. 9 times 4 is 36. So 36. 1 times 9, 12. Wait. 126 must be, remember, square because it's a 2D shape. And then we have for question 6 is I'm going with question 7. A compound rectangular area. So these compound shapes are a little bit more advanced, because, for example, a rectangular shape could be something like this. So if you can, as you can see here, it's not exactly a rectangle, but can be a cube, and then it can be a rectangle. Anyway, so the shape is made of 2 rectangles. We have one rectangle which is, let's say, this. We have 6 centimeter and then 4 centimeter. And then we have another rectangle with 8 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the total area. So first we time this one, and then we time this one, and then we add together. 6 times 4 is 24, and then 8 times 3 then is 24 centimeter. So if we have these added together, we have 48 centimeter. Remember, area is this, so 48 centimeter too, which is the equation 7. Alright, moving on. Now, of course, in exam it's gonna be a little bit different. You will have composite sides, so yeah, you will need to find one side, other side, but because this is an AI, it doesn't do like actual. So now go with the question 8. Question 8. Missing side parameter. Okay, a cubane shape has a total height of 12 centimeter. One vertical side 7. Find the missing vertical side, then find the perimeter. Alright, so we have to do two things here. One cubane shape has a total, I think, find the missing vertical side. So we don't know the vertical side. Also, another we don't know is the perimeter. We know the total height is 12 centimeter. Centimeter, one vertical has 7 centimeter. Cubane shape has a total height of 12. One vertical shape is 7. Find the missing vertical side, and then find the perimeter. But wait, if one vertical side is 7, don't I subtract 12 minus 7? Okay, let's try this. If 12 minus 7, oh wait, if one 7 is not also another 7, wait, it says total height. So if we are talking about like a height like this, it's like 12 centimeter, and one vertical side I can't do this, no, this one, no. It's very difficult, like, to think. I don't even understand, like, what do you even like as a compound shape, like what? I know it has a height of 12 centimeters. I know we have one vertical of 7 centimeter. We're missing one vertical, he said. So if let's say hypothetically I do like 12 minus 7, like, is 5 centimeter, let's say. Okay, for this is the question 8. So now we know then, now one vertical side is 5 centimeter, and then we probably have to find the perimeter. Then we do 12 plus 5 plus 7. So, no, the 4 was 14. 1, 2, 24 centimeter. Then is it like this? Okay, now it says that the shape is an L. Moving on, I'm not gonna waste time on this one. Because usually in compound shapes they have you a shape, you know. Combine with question 9. So the ratio is 5 centimeter. Find the circumference. So pi times the diameter, if I am correct, is the correct. So the diameter is 10. So 3.14 times 10. I think gonna be 31.4. Check question 9. Not sure, to be honest. Question 10. So here we have a diameter of 12 centimeter. So for the area we know should be always pi r squared. So 3.14 times, we need to get the radius. So the radius is the half. So the half of 12 is 6 square. 6 times 6 is what? 36. So 3 times 14 times 36 will give us the answer. Now put it in the bus. Six times 4, 24. 2, 6, 8. 3 times 6 is what? 18. Then we have 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. 3 is 9. We add this. Then we go 4, 10, 12, 13, 10, 11. Then we put 2 bullets, so points. And then is centimeter square. No, I'm not sure, but let's find out. Alright, that's it. Have a good day, guys. Next time we go with the volume. So see you guys till next time.